我看看怎么进去的哈。我按一下这个门就进来了。我看一下。
And here you can see the scanning process, guys. The world is getting so crazy out here, man. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with some more bullish content, as always. Back with these banger videos for you guys. Thank you guys so much for the continued support on these videos. It really means a lot, man. Let's keep spreading the word of Tonic out there to everyone. The more you guys support these videos, the more they get into the algorithm. I have people in my comment section all the time saying, where do I get my hands on Tonic? How do I buy Tonic? So you could tell the growth of the project just keeps increasing. The community members, the team keeps building. We already know that the team has Gary Orr involved. Gary Orr was a co-founder and CTO of Crypto.com. So that is no joke that Gary Orr is involved with Tonic, guys. And that is not any speculation. You could literally look it up right now, or go and check back my video that I posted breaking down into detail Particle B and Gary Orr incubating Tonic and starting it, right? So there's a lot that is bullish about this project, and you know, the journey continues to the top for Tonic, guys. I had a bit of a brain fart there. But in this video, we're just gonna go through any recent news and updates like we always do for Tonic in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Almost at 2,000 subscribers, super close. Let's get there, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Let's keep spreading the word of Tonic. And also, please support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts as well. And also support other content creators as well, guys. You know, the more people covering the project, the more the message spreads, and you know, the more the community grows, right? We're sitting at 30,511 people on the Tonic watch list right now. $26.1 million in market cap, 174K in 24-hour trade volume, up 26%. Now, since we are at 30,511 on the watch list, I remember just being at 30,200. More and more people are waking up to Tonic, guys. More and more new eyes are on the project. And if we take a look at the Tonic chart, as always, we're still in this bull trend. Now, I see people in the comments section, and I see people on Twitter saying that we're gonna fall. Bitcoin is gonna fall. The market is gonna fall once again, and then we're gonna go to 12, 13K. Like I said, I don't really know if that's gonna happen. I think, you know, the bears are in disbelief. They don't think that we are at the start of the bull run, or the, you know, complete bullish trend. Maybe we do have a pullback, you know. I wouldn't rule it out. It's been a brutal bear market last year. It's been a brutal one. And you know, people also comment and say, you know, the way I pronounce beer is sound like beer is in drinking beer, right? It's just my accent, guys, but that's beside the point. What I'm trying to say is that in the last year was just complete and utter chaos, just the worst market conditions ever, and not just in crypto, but in the stock market as well, right? The stock market seen the worst yields, the worst returns since like the 60s or so, right? So it's not just crypto, just in general, we have seen the worst market conditions ever. And now we're getting a bit of green, we're turning around, and most think it's just a bull trap. But I really think if you rewind time and you go back to when everyone thought Bitcoin would be going to $100,000, you know, all the bulls at the time, myself included, were thinking, yo, Bitcoin is going to 100K, it's gonna happen, never came. Then the bear market started, right? So it could be the same thing happening here. Bitcoin to 10K, Bitcoin to 12K. The bears keep saying it over and over, never happens, and then we go to new all-time highs. Like I said, I won't rule out, you know, I won't rule out another fall in the market. That is entirely possible. But if you're DCing into Tonic, it doesn't matter. If the price falls from here, you DCA every 2 weeks into the project, whatever you can afford to lose, obviously, because I'm not a financial advisor. But you DCA in, and you know, you lower your average, because at the end of the day, we're gonna see great gains in the future, right? It's just a parent. You buy in the bear market and then you sell in the bull. I missed this tweet recently from crypto.com. Tectonic is listed in the crypto.com app. Buy Tonic at true cost with USD, Euro, GBP, and 20 plus fiat currencies. For more details, go to blog.crypto.com. Tectonic new listing, withdrawals enabled for the crypto.com app, guys. And for Tonic to get a tweet being listed on the crypto.com app, that is super bullish. 1,100 likes, 393 retweets. That is some great stuff, guys. I don't know how I missed this, but yeah, here's the blog post with all the listing updates. Great stuff to see, man. Very great stuff. From Maximus Parabolus, this is going to absolutely take off any moment. Should my prediction of 1-0 drop by tomorrow evening, then Tectonic will make a real run at some new highs, and other exchanges will be listed all over the world. Boomtown next stop. And then he's retweeting the crypto.com listing. This is how I saw it, so shout out to Maximus for that. From Nightshade, this is the kind of crypto chart that you should pay attention to, right? Look at this bull trend. Look at this chart. I know most of you guys don't know much about TA, but this is a bull trend. This is some bullish stuff from Tonic, guys. It's literally up and to the right, and we're making higher lows consistently. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention. From freethinker.crow, I might lose followers for this one, but F it, VVS and Tonic have been delivering promises before Shibarium. Whoa. Shots fired, guys. Shots are fired from freethinker.crow. I don't follow you. Let me give you a follow, my guy. Let me give you a follow. You're part of the Tonic fam. Like, I don't, you know, talk down on other projects. If you believe in a project, keep your conviction on that project. Shiba Inu just, you know, created Shibarium, which is a layer 2. Great stuff. Shout outs to them. But Tonic, like freethinker.crow said, has been delivering all the promises that they set in place, have been delivering on their roadmap, making new partnerships, and getting the word out. And like I said, I became 100 times more bullish when I found out that Gary Orr was involved with Tonic. Go research it for yourself, guys, or watch my video. You'll see he was the co-founder of crypto.com and also the former CTO. From Shango, consistent and one of the best on Tectonic Fi, does a great job at referencing fresh global market sentiments. Blockchain Daily, go follow for updates. Shout outs to the Tonic community, man. When I saw this, I had a smile on my face, you know, and it's great that we're so active as a community and spreading the word out there and letting people know about the project. And, you know, thank you, Shango, for sharing the channel. We gonna keep it going, guys. Consistent. We gonna keep it going. Shout out to all the other content creators as well, guys. You know, I want the Tonic fam, Crow, VVS fam to just win in general, right? The beer market was harsh. It was terrible, man. It was absolutely terrible. We need that bull market. Bring on the bull market, guys. From Siobhan Johnson, yep, I took that opportunity to put more in the bag earlier. Siobhan is always stacking up. 139 million more Tonic secured. Great stuff to see. Now, what I wanted to get into in this video is back to the blow off top scenario for the markets as a whole, for BTC, Ethereum, and the rest of the altcoins, Tonic included. Right here, the blow off top scenario, BTC wave 5 is likely to get truncated at the medium pitchfork of the uptrend. Now let's take a look. Let's zoom in, guys, so you guys can see this clearly. Okay, let's go down. This is the Bitcoin chart, but like I said, all of these charts are correlated. When the total altcoin market cap or the total crypto market cap is bullish, a project like Tonic with strong fundamentals, super strong fundamentals, will follow. The proof is in the pudding, okay? I've shown you guys this time and time again. Tonic is following Bitcoin. You know, it's in sync with Bitcoin. Bitcoin making moves to the upside, Tonic follows, right? Now, there's something called Elliott wave theory that I've showed you guys, and we could be going into the fifth wave of Elliott wave theory. There's other analysts that are TA experts that I watch that will call it the FOMO fifth wave. This is the FOMO fifth wave is because this is when typical retail investors start getting into the markets. Just like in the last bull cycle when everyone was talking about Doge and everybody, mama, uncle, auntie was buying Doge in the last bull cycle. This is when typical retail investors get into the space, right? So as we can see from here, from the zoom in on the chart, Bitcoin is making a move up to its third wave, and then we have the retrace, and then we move up to the fifth wave. Fifth wave, his target is around 80k, close to 90k for Bitcoin. Some people's targets are even higher, ranging up to the 100k, maybe 200k range. But either way, moves like this, expect Tonic to have crazy gains in the future. How much, I'm not sure, but you can't rule out a $1 billion to $2 billion market cap for Tonic. Altcoins, smaller cap altcoins tend to run much harder than big cap altcoins. Next, we're going to take a look at the DXY from Alamzadeh. This is the DXY on the monthly. In the last two times we rejected from the range high at the 10-month MA, what happened? In 2017, BTC made a move of 2,900%, 29x. Nasdaq went up 52%. In 2020, BTC made a move of 13x, 1,300%, and the Nasdaq went to 151%. In 2023, we have the same setup. Plus, positioning is far more offsides given the parabolic deviation out of the range. Most are not prepared. Now, the reason I'm always showing you guys charts like this is because everything is correlated in these markets. Everything is correlated. You might not think it is, but majority of the time it is, right? So we take a look at previous history right here. This was the 2017 bear market crash, and then we had the huge move up. Bitcoin 29x, Nasdaq up 51%. Then we had the 2020 pandemic crash. I'm sure most of you got into crypto around that time. And then we had the 13x move to the upside for Bitcoin. That was when it ran to around 69k. And then Nasdaq went up 151%. It's literally the inverse for the DXY. This is the DXY we're looking at right now, okay? So when the DXY starts to tumble and fall, this is the US dollar, the main global currency. Whenever it tumbles, Bitcoin, the Nasdaq, the stock market starts going into their parabolic phase. The DXY comes all the way down to 89 here. It might even break the support line with how the world is going. Just know when the DXY starts falling like this, the markets, stock market, Bitcoin, crypto markets, Tectonic, Crow, VVS will send. I'm telling you guys, everything is correlated. Okay, just be patient, guys. This is what you call the blow off top theory. From Henrik Zeberg, I observed that the term blow off top recently has become more popular. Who would have thought? In 3 to 4 months, it will be commonly used by everyone on Fin Twitter, crypto Twitter as well. You know where you heard it first. This is why I'm always researching and finding great TA guys, because Henrik has been calling for the blow off top for a while. More and more people are talking about it. And with the blow off top meaning we're gonna just see this huge parabolic run to the upside, guys. But obviously after moves like that, there's gonna be another crash. So what do? You take profits along the way, okay? Please be smart, take profits along the way. You'll never catch the exact bottom, and you'll never catch the exact top. So whenever that takes place, that's when you start taking profits along the way, guys. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be absolutely insane, guys. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. Most will not be prepared. Most will not expect it. And the last thing we're gonna check out from Wall Street Silver: staffless grocery stores are everywhere in China now. Here you need to scan your face to get in and out and pay for your purchased items. If your social credit score is too low, then no food for you.
无人售货点， 我看看怎么进去的哈。我按一下这个门就进来了。我看一下。
And here you can see the scanning process, guys. The world is getting so crazy out here, man. Decentralized finance is the future. They can't control DeFi. I don't think they can. It's already too far gone for them to get to it. Maybe stablecoins, but not decentralized finance where you have your digital wallets, you're using a digital liquidity swap. These are the things I really don't think they can control because the train has already left on that.
还要输入手机号。
人脸识别，请看向屏幕，禁止吸烟。谢谢您的配合。
哦，进来了。
The scanning was complete. Now they could enter the store.
哦，付钱让自己扫。
What we're seeing on screen must be the social credit score scanner. And just like the tweet said, if you don't have a high enough score, then no food for you guys. And then you try to buy some things in the store with the CBDC, right? And then if you don't have the correct amount of carbon emissions, or you exceeded your emission limit, then you can't buy what you're looking to purchase. You could see, for example, what's happening with eggs, how expensive eggs are becoming, guys. It's getting crazy out there.
让自己扫。这无人售货店品种还怪齐全的。
请在您的手机完成付款。
然后出去也是按这个门。无人售货店。
Man, Tonic fam, Crow fam, decentralized finance is the future. DeFi is going to protect you from what's coming. That's what I truly believe. And, you know, that's why I got into crypto in the first place. Obviously, financial freedom is a plus, is a bonus. But, you know, there's things that are happening. There's global elites. There's control. There's a lot of, you know, things that are unfolding. And I really do think DeFi will save you and protect you from that. Once again, Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.